In this video, I'm going to show you several stocks which are trending up in spite of the downtrending stock market. If you watch this video till the end, I will show you how you can find these stocks on your own. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daviddas. Please remember that I am not a financial advisor and this video is not meant to be an investment advice of any kind. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so that you are notified when I publish new videos. Please keep in mind that I'm not recommending that you go and buy these stocks right away. Please do your own due diligence before investing and be very mindful of the position sizing and money management principles. Please make sure that you are comfortable with your risk-reward ratio before investing. The overall US stock market is down about 20% year to date. Today is December 27, 2022. However, there are several stocks which are in an uptrend. I will only list three of them. They were up from about 53% to 72% year to date. I will also show you how you can find the remaining uptrending stocks on your own. As the famous saying goes, the trend is your friend until the end when it bends. So let's get started with the uptrending stocks. The first stock on my list is First Solar Inc. with the ticker symbol FSLR. The company designs, manufactures, and sells solar modules that converts sunlight into electricity. The company was founded in 1999 and is headquartered in Tempe, Arizona. As of closing on December 27, 2022, the stock price is at $150.22. And it is at a support level of about 50 SMA. Year to date, the stock price is up about 72.35%, although it has dropped about 13.5% from all-time high of $173.68. The second stock on my list is Steel Dynamics with the ticker symbol STLD. It operates as a steel producer and metal recycler in the United States. The company was incorporated in 1993 and is headquartered in Fort Wayne, Indiana. The stock price currently is at $102.90 as of closing of 27th December 2022. The stock price, as we can see, is between the 20 and the 50 simple moving averages. Year to date, the stock has gone up by about 65.78%. However, the stock price has pulled back about 9% from the all-time high of about $113.12. Third stock on my list is Cardinal Health with the ticker symbol CAH. The company provides customized solutions for hospitals, healthcare systems, pharmacies, physicians' office, and patients at home. The company was incorporated in 1979 and is headquartered in Dublin, Ohio. Currently, the stock price is at $79.50 on December 27th, 2022, which is just below the 20 simple moving average. Year to date, the stock price is up 53.72% and is down by about 3% from all-time high of $81.57. As we have just seen, these three stocks were in an uptrend when the overall stock market is going down. Now I'm going to show you what criteria I use to find these uptrending stocks. So let's go to finviz.com, go to the screener tab, and as you can see, there are 8,400 stocks at the moment. We are going to pick only S&P 500 stocks. So we go to index and pick S&P 500. And now the number of stocks has reduced to 503. Next thing we are going to do is go to the technical tab. As I mentioned previously that I'm focusing purely on the technical aspects of the stocks, not the fundamental. In the technical tab, we are going to focus on 20-day simple moving average, 50-day simple moving average, and 200-day simple moving average. We want to make sure that the 50 simple moving average is above the 200 moving average. And that's what we are going to do now. So now we have selected 50 simple moving average above 200 simple moving average. We also want to make sure that the 20 simple moving average is above the 50 simple moving average. So right now SMA 50 is below SMA 20. We also want to make sure that the price has pulled back a bit below 20 simple moving average. So we are going to pick price below SMA 20. So now we have a total of 114 stocks. We are now going to the performance tab, and we are going to sort these 114 stocks from high to low performance year to date. And this is a list of all the stocks sorted from the highest performance to the lowest performance year to date. Now we are going to the chart tabs, and we can see all these charts at a glance. And you can move from one page to another. I have shown the first three as these stocks have a good uptrending pattern with less volatility. You can go and scroll down and research other companies. The whole idea to have 20 SMA above 50 SMA and 50 SMA above 200 SMA is to pick stocks which are in general in an uptrend. We also want to make sure the price of the stock has pulled back a bit below 20 SMA. You can change all these parameters based on what you want. I hope this short video was useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.